What is up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. I am Skylar. This is my wife Christy, our son Uriah, Judah, Ezra, and Zion. We wanted to document this new adventure that we are about to embark on and wanted to bring you guys along in case any of you would like to know what it takes to buy a rental house. Me and my wife have made the decision to buy our first house, and we are going through that process. So if this is something that you may be interested in following along or knowing more about, we're just going to document this and show you guys what it takes. This is our first time, so if y'all would like to hit the subscribe button to follow along, hit that notification bell, and let's see what it takes to buy a house. So it is the next day, sitting here with the family eating breakfast. Today is closing day. So I haven't talked much about the days leading up to today, but just so that you guys know, there are three ways that you can finance or get the funds available for this. One, you got a HELOC. Two, you can do a traditional home mortgage loan. Or three, you can pay cash, which cash is king, which is always the best. So with them three methods, that is what you have to choose what is best for your family. Now, this is just going to show you what we go through. We have pretty much decided which one's best option for our family, which you will have to choose which one is best for you depending on your financial situations and things like that. And so we have secured our money. So today is closing day. I suggest that you find a home within your budget, find one in a good area, find one that you feel comfortable buying. So one of the tricks and tips that we did is when we found our house that we have purchased, we went to the neighbors, we went to the surrounding people, asked them a bunch of history and information on the house, and had a really warm, fuzzy feeling about this house. So today, like I said, is closing day. We have probably been on the house market journey looking for a house probably about few years, but we really started hitting it heavy with our realtor about 3 months ago. So that's about how long it took for the process to take place. So it took about 2 months to get everything done, inspections, money, all of the paperwork and all them steps, which is pretty lengthy, and especially if you haven't done it the first time. But I will say this, if it is your first time doing it, it is not hard. Find somebody who rents houses and become friends with them, because that is what we have been able to lean on. Is we found someone who has 19 rental houses and has done it, and so that's what we did. So I'm gonna finish eating breakfast, we're gonna go sign for a house, and we'll show you guys that. Then we'll go check the house out. What would you like to say? What would you like to say?
Make sure to subscribe to the channel.
Make sure to subscribe to the channel.
Are you excited to have her now?
Yup.
Are you excited? What would you like to tell them?
Make sure to go to the dirt trap and shoot that notification bell.
Shoot that notification bell. Y'all heard him. Shoot that notification bell.
I love you, Baba.
So it is official. Just got done with our house signing.
We did.
We own this baby. So
Yeah.
very excited. What is today's date?
The
19th, May 19th. So we are officially on our first rental. Second house,
Here we go.
first rental. So next time you see it, we will show you around first, and then we will get to renovating.
Yeah.
So we have made it. We officially have closed and arrived at the property. Y'all ready for this? Yeah. It's bad, ain't it, babe?
No, it could be worse.
So here you go. Let me back the screen up. This grass is decided that it is going to become a jungle. Here is our home. It is not what you would expect, obviously, but we're going to turn this thing into a little bit of an amazing gym. But like I said, we found a house in our price range, and we got all the kiddos out here, and it is now time to go to town. So first things first is the exterior, because we do not want the city to send us, what is it called? Letters, citations for the yard. So we're gonna set you guys up on a little bit of a time lapse and see if we can make this jungle into an actual yard. So here we go. Well,
The time lapse didn't do justice because that would take forever. But we did our yard for the first time.
look at this, guys.
And we have a lot left, but
All
we
them
found this
limbs.
slab,
But
which
yeah,
was amazing.
so I want to show you guys something. Like she said, I'll take you to the front. Turns out
We can have a shop.
we have this huge concrete slab. It even goes all the way back there and back up all the way to over here to right here. So it goes all the way back there, comes up, and then cuts over and then goes around like this. We found all kind of concrete. Lots of concrete up front, which I'll show you, but we got a lot done. We'll tell it, y'all. We have the dullest blades you could possibly have on our mower, poor mower.
6.
We did it on level 6, the highest you could go, and we cut. We found a bunch of, I'm not gonna tell y'all the name of these, but we found a bunch of these. They almost look like palms, kinda, or whatever. So we didn't cut these down, but it goes on back a little ways. And my chainsaw is so dull because I was chopping these sticks when I really needed some snips. But we still have this much to cut. So here's the fence. So we have a little bit more to go. But we have exposed this house. We have exposed our air condition, kind of found the property line. So
We found it.
yes, we did. But how many hours did we work? Probably three or four.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, a big thing, we also passed our inspection.
We did, and we got power all in one day.
Yeah,
like
so
in 20 minutes.
we bought this house at 9:30 this morning, and here it is 5:30 in the afternoon. We already passed our electrical inspection.
Yep.
And we have power, so they came and stuck the meter in. But really big yard, which once you get to cleaning this thing, it's a lot bigger than you think. It's a lot more to clean than you think, but we knocked it down.
Is this an acre? What is this?
I don't know, we have to look, but
How did we not know?
we still got to get the ditch done and things like that. And then I'll show you guys one last time before we wrap up. Here is what Christy found in the front yard. So
Oh my gosh, like
there's the driveway. She found this much concrete. So
concrete.
we thought the concrete ended like right over here, but you can see she pushed all this back,
No,
and there's
Alex.
actually concrete all the way over there.
I shoveled it. I
Shovel-
shoveled it with
So like we said in the beginning, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. This is going to be a raw channel. We hope you guys want to follow along. What do you want to tell them?
Guys, I just found a hurt worm.
Oh no. Hey, tell them to shoot that notification bell.
Shoot that notification bell.
That's right.
If y'all guys, like I said in the beginning, want to subscribe to follow along, we're going to document this as best we can from start to finish. We even had a lady from the daycare over there stop by and possibly want to rent it. So she said hello and was very interested in it. So y'all please shoot that notification bell so that y'all can get notified when we post. Subscribe to help us grow it. If you are interested, our original channel is Fleming Family Racing. We are racers, and we've made an investment to kind of bring you guys into our family side of things. So that's why we started this channel, which is my old channel from way back when. So y'all subscribe to follow along. We'll catch you guys next episode when we take you inside and show you how it looks for the beginning. Later.